Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with a membership website. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for a way to make money online? If so, creating a membership website may be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll show you how to create a successful membership website, and the benefits it can bring to your online business. First, we'll discuss the benefits of creating a membership website. The main benefit is that it provides a steady stream of recurring revenue. Unlike other online businesses that require you to constantly create new products or services, a membership website enables you to make money month after month, just by keeping your existing members happy and new members coming in. Additionally, having a membership website allows you to increase the lifetime value of your customers. Members are more likely to purchase additional products and services from you, as they already know and trust your brand. They're also more likely to refer other people to your site, which can further increase your customer base. Another benefit of having a membership website is that it can provide you with a form of passive income. Once you have set up your site and it is running smoothly, you can essentially sit back and let the money roll in. Of course, this doesn't mean that you can completely neglect your site. You will still need to monitor it. Make sure everything is running smoothly, but it does mean that you won't have to put in as much effort in order to make money. Now that we've discussed the benefits of creating a membership website, let's talk about how to create one. The first step is to choose your niche. You'll want to pick a topic that you're passionate about and that you know people are interested in. For example, if you love dogs, you could create a membership website about dog training. Or, if you're an expert on personal finance, you could create a membership website about budgeting and investing. No matter what topic you choose, it's important to make sure that there's enough demand for information on that topic. You can do this by conducting market research, either online or through surveys and interviews. Once you've confirmed that there's a market for your content, it's time to move on to the next step. The next step is to choose your membership model. There are two main options when it comes to membership models: subscription-based and pay-per-view. With a subscription-based model, members pay a monthly or yearly fee to access all of the content on your site. With a pay-per-view model, members only pay for the content they consume. They don't have to pay a monthly or yearly fee. It's important to think about which one will work best for your business. Once you've chosen your niche and membership model, it's time to start creating content. When creating content for your membership website, it's important to keep two things in mind: quality and quantity. You'll need to create enough high-quality content to keep people coming back for more, but not so much that it becomes overwhelming or expensive for you to produce. Some ideas for the types of content you can create for your membership website include articles, videos, webinars, and live Q&A sessions. It's important to keep your members engaged and interested by providing them with new and valuable content regularly. Finally, we'll talk about promoting your membership website. This can include using social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach potential members. Additionally, it's important to have a strong call to action on your website to encourage people to sign up and become members. Creating a referral program can also be a great way to incentivize current members to refer friends and family to your website. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money with a membership website. Choosing a niche, deciding on a membership model, creating great content, promoting your website and incentivizing referrals are key to success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.